So, super quick video on how to enhance your animations. So, if I talk to this guy, I made a long animation. It keeps resetting every time it changes the line. How do you fix that? Well, here's how. Stop the game. Oh, hang on. Alright. So what we want to do is, we want to say hello, like normal here. Then instead of animating this speaker using the built-in controls, we use the do not animate speaker on all of these. Instead, we add a new action, character, animate. We select our speaker. We create the, already a copy here, the talk animation for that NPC, and we add the directional suffix. Then it will pick the direction by itself. Add that in the beginning. This is gonna keep playing until we stop it. Then after the final line, we do a character animate Maxwell Monk reset to idle. So now, instead of it resetting the animation for each line, it's gonna look something like this. And it's done. Very simple, very easy, very cool. Bye.